Hello everyone. In this project, I am using the courses dataset. In courses dataset, where we know the how many courses are there. So first we using these three libraries is a pandas and then matplotlib, also visualization and cbonus. There are three libraries we are using. Now this is the dataset. So this is the data set where is course ID, course title, URL. Is paid, the course is paid or not, or number of subscriber, number of review, number of lecture, label. It's it show you label, all person are involved in this, or intermediate are involved, or last is a beginner also involved. So it's give the three levels, and last also it publish the time stamp and then subject, which is the subject are using in this course. So there is the last 5 rows. Then df dot shape, it show you the rows and columns. Then 3 6 7 8 and 12 columns. Information, it give you information, integer, object type, all are. This is the id into 62, integer type, then is paid is boolean types, price is integer type, then all these are integer, then content duration is float type, and public time stamp is object, subject is also object type. Now we see that subject unique value, how much the subject have unique value. So there are, these are the subject which have unique value: business, finance, graphic design, musical instrument, web developer. Now I want to check that how much how many is free courses are there. So there are, these are the free course, because it you can see price is 000. So 3 tons, rows and 12 columns, well, 310 is a free course. Now same thing I am I want to see that how many paid courses. So these are the, you can see that price is 200. Ultimate investment banking course you can pay 200. Complete GST course is 75. Like all these it show you. So there is 360 rows and 12 columns. Columns are same, but rows is is paid. These are the paid course. Now check the, is there any null value. So there it show you 000, means there is no any null value. So I want to see also with the graph. Now I am using the heat graph. So sns dot heave, then df dot is null. So you can see that because there is no any null values course, if there is any null value, that it show you like this color. So there is no any null value. sns dot heat map, and then df data frame name dot is null. Same, I want to see that is there any duplicate value. So I have take the new variable a, because the it store, if it has any null value, the value stored in a variable. So and df is a data frame name, and then duplicated, and now I print the a. So it give the boolean values false, false, false. So there is no any null value. So now I want to count the how many subjects are there. So it's give the it count the subject. The web developers had 1200 and business has 1195, music instrumental has 680, graph design है. So it count the all values. The web. Next, same I want to show you in by using the count plot. So SNS is a object which I have created when upload the library. So then dot counterpart, then x I have passed the subject is the column name, and data is equal to my df is data frame name, then plt dot show. So it show you the subject which, so web, you can see that web developer is this color. It it has the highest number. The web developers have highest number, then business finance, and the third number is musical instrument, and fourth is graph. So it show you the by graph, and it also count the values. So it's less than the 1200. Next, I want to see that the level. So it count the level. So it show you. So df dot column, this is the level. This one the level. I have df, then level is column name, then value dot count. So it count the intermediate level. Give the all level are is 1929. Beginners level seats have 1270. Intermediate has 421, and expert level is 58. So it show you the all level. Same I want. Next I want to see this level in graphical way. So there I pass the SNS is an object count plot which count the label. X may I have passed the label is a column name. In hues I have passed the, this is also the column name subject, and df dot tf. You can see that subject is a column name, and there I pass the data is a data is equal to my variable name df. So you can see that blue show the business course name business finance, and this the orange is also show the graphical, then green musical, and then red is a web developer. So highest value is the business finance. Business finance have the highest level, then second is and then this one is a graphical. In all level these are the, then intermediate level is very low, then beginner level has the higher frequency, and expert level is very level is like a zero is greater. So this is the all level, what is the frequency or all these level. Next I want to see I want to check that how free and paid course value count. So df I will show you column name that is paid. This one is a column is paid df, then column name is paid dot value dot count. So it show you that true value is 3368 and false value is a true value means paid values are greater and free value are less, is a very less number. Then next is I want to see it in using the count plot. So it is show you that false is the free courses and true is the paid courses. So you can see that. Now I want to see by using the group by. So how many paid uh, with a number of lecture, and it give you mean values. So df dot group by, then is paid is column name and number underscore lecture is also the column name dot mean. So there is a output false is 21.46. It means that free lecture are very less in compared to paid lecture. True means paid lecture. This is the paid lecture counting and this is the free lecture counting. Same thing is you can also use the second method. Df dot group by is paid then in bracket I column underscore lecture, this is the also column name, and dot aggregate function I am using the aggregate dot mean. The output is both is same, so you can compare the output is the same. So you can use this one and you can use this one, both work same. Next we want to see that how much is the number of subscriber is unique. So this one is the number of subscriber. This is a column name df number dot unique. So there is the number of unique subscriber 2147, all these are. Next is we want to see the graphical. I am using the graph SNS and bar dot bar plot, where I pass the x sorry, x is a label, is a column name. This one is a column name, and then y I pass the number of subscriber. This one this, and data is equal to df. Label is all level, intermediate level, beginner level. It show you by graph. So number of subscriber, and then you can see all level has the greatest value, then beginner level, second level is beginner level, then third is intermediate, and then is the last is expert level. So these are the level, all these number of subscriber. It means it is the total of all level 35,000, sorry 3500, and next is beginner level has the greater value. Now I want to check that popular the course title, which is the, and give the maximum max value. So there is the The course title which have maximum value is a 268923. So it is the course title. This is the course. This one is the course title. So it gives the maximum value of the course title is 268923. Next, I want to see that same that maximum value and also give the course title name. Number of subscriber is a column name, number of subscriber, df. I am passing the df, then again in bracket I pass the df, because if I define only one df it show you the boolean value. That's why we use the df, then df, and where I pass the column name dot max, then is equal to condition there where I pass the condition equal, and then same number of subscriber, and then course title. It also column name. This one is the, so you can see that 2827 there is a learn HTML programming from scratch. So this level is the highest level in course title. Next, I want to see the 12 most popular courses. So df dot short values, where I pass the by is equal to number of subscriber and ascending is equal to false, dot head is equal to 12. So it show you the 12 rows. So number of subscriber which is have the highest value on the subject. So learn HTML program from scratch. You can also see that it is the highest value. So a number of subscriber is 2689, because I have given the ascending is equal to false, so that's why it show you the greatest number. So these are the 12 course which is include the price. There is 00 there, and then there is a boot camp has 200. All these is the 12 course. So this is the same thing, but there I have created a new variable name so that the data can be saved in new variable. And now I print the p dot courses. So these are the 12 courses. You, if because I have given the head is equal to 12, that you can count, there is the 12 courses. Next is the same where I am pass using the bar plot for visualization, and where I have passed column name, number of subscriber, and why may I have passed the course title, and that data is equal to, that time I am passing the new variable name which I have created. So this is the graph. So you can see learn HTML program from scratch has this pink is the highest level, and then coding or entrepreneur basic, then web developer bootcamp, build your first website. All these 12 courses are there. These are the 12 courses because I have given the condition. and number of subscriber is 25,000. Not of fulfill the 25 is less than 25. Next, uh, the highest review, which subject has the highest review. So it there is also I am using the sns dot bar plot, where I pass x may x is a subject, where I pass subject, and y may number of review, and data is equal to df. So this is the one. So web developer has the highest value, then business finance, and then graphical, and last is music instruments. So number of review is, this is the last, less than 400. By subject wise review. So web developer has the highest review. Same thing is a paid course review. How much the paid course review? That time I am using the SNS dot scatter plot, and x is equal to price, where I am given the price, that if person paid the price, take the paid course, that what is the review rate, and then y am passing the number of review, and data is equal to df. So you can see number of review, so it affect the price. You can, is a 0 0, there is 0, then review, so it affect the paid. Next, we I want to see that how many courses related to Python. So there is a course title, column name is course title, df, where I pass the column name, dot str dot contain, because of the string, using for the string value, and then I pass the Python, and case is equal to false. I have given the case is equal to false because str dot stain is a case sensitive. That's why I am giving the case is equal to false. If I am not given this, then you can see the output. First I run. So there is the course title, which is related to Python algo training, sentiment trading with news, Python algo stock trading. All these are related to Python. Finance, investment, fundamental. These are the related to Python. If I am not mentioned that case is equal to, now the output is, so there is a no any output to show you. So that's why it's necessary to give it. Next is I want to see the length of this course title. So the 29 is the courses which is related to Python. So there are, it give the length 29. Next is where I am using the course title. Same thing is there, but something is different. where I want to see that course title, as well as also I want to see the number of subscriber is ascending is equal to false or head is equal to 12. And there is also pass create a new variable, so you can use anything. This is the variable, so data can be safe. So you can see that these are the so this is the course, all are the courses, 12 course, because I passed the 12, head is equal to 12, so it show you 12. And then highest level is the web programming with Python, has the number of greatest number of subscriber. Then coding entrepreneur, learn Python Django is the second level, number of subscriber. See, all these are. Now is I want to see you the with visualization. Then SNS bar plot, X I pass column name, number of subscriber, and Y I pass the course title, and then data I have passed the PY because I have created the new variable PY. So this one I have passed. You can see that web programming with Python, all these are the coding with entrepreneur, learn Python Django, and learn Python Django payment process. All these are, it is, you can see the visualization. Next, see the data types. That there is the data types is course ID, object type, and is paid, URL object is paid boolean value. All this is the. Now that I am using the published time stamp is objective, right? If I want to use the time stamp, then I have to change the this object into date and time. So I change the using the df, then published. This is the column name. This one, this is a column name, and where I pass the PD is a object pandas dot datetime, where I pass the df dot same column name. Now you can see it's working. Next, I have df that year is a new column name. I have created the new column name year, and where I pass the same column name publish underscore timestamp and df dot head 3. So you can see that new column is created is year. This is the column name year which I have created. Now I want to see that the column name with year wise. It also show you the years. So this is the year 2017, 17, 16, because it show you 4. I have given the condition df dot head, so it show you 4. Same is using the graph SNS, that count plot X. I have passed the year which is a column I have created, and data is equal to df and plt dot show. Plt is an object, so you can see So it show you year wise all data, and this is the it count and year wise. 2011 there is no any course are very less course. 2012, then 30, then 16 is the highest, and then second 15, and then 17. So it show the year wise count, the how much course are related to this year. Same, I am using the group by using the categorical data. Uh, then value dot count. Next it count the categorical 2011 there is only 5, so that's why it show you 2012 is a 19, and then sorry 13, 2013 business finance web developer there is 84. So it show you all category data on 2017. So this is the 2017. So that is the program. Hope you like it.
Please subscribe the channel.